Howdy, it's Herb again. What I'm doing today is I'm making a spider for my lathe, and I guess I was too lazy to film the first part of this, but I've got some 1 5/8 tubing. It was schedule 80 tubing, and I bored it out to 1.5 inches. Cut single pointed threads on it, and it screws into the end of my spindle on the lathe. And what I'm going to do now is I'm going to drill and tap it 4 places for the little bolts that go through, and I'll show those later on. But didn't have anything to hold it so I could clock it in 90-degree increments. So what I did is I built an arbor, and I have a 1 1/8 inch 5C collet in here, which is the largest I've got. And I took some 1 7/8, I guess. Anyway, I turned that down so it would fit inside the bore of the little piece here. And then I turned the end down to 1 1/8 so it fit a 5C collet. So now I put it together with some red Loctite, so it's on there, and it's solid. So what I've got in here now is a center drill. I've already indicated the center, and I'm 1 inch off the back side here. So we're going to do a little drilling and tapping now. Okay, I'm drilling and tapping this 1/4 28, and that'll be pretty strong. All right, we turn it to 90 degrees now. And as Tom Lipton says, rinse and repeat. I need to build my spindector sides parallel. I had to put a piece of aluminum rod in there because it's trying to tilt up. It's still got a little bit of that problem, so that's why I've got my hand back here to sort of hold it down. Okay, what I got now is I put it in a square collet block, same 1 1/8 collet, and got it here, and I'm going to heat it up and break it loose from the high strength Loctite. So we're going to try to do this with a propane torch. Well, I think I put a little too much Loctite on there, and it's not budging. So since that's a sacrificial piece, I can take it out, put it in the lathe, and bore that arbor out of there. And so that's what we're going to do now. Okay, this is the way we're going to silver solder a little brass tip on these screws. This is the practice one. This is a 1/4 20, and I've cut out a little pad to go on the end of it, and we'll put that on there and then turn it down. Okay, what I've done here is I have this little block I've been using. I've shown it before, but when I don't have the screws right length, I'll take a longer one and cut it down, and I've got various sizes there. This is a 1/4 28 that I put in it, and I screw it in where there's 2 or 3 threads exposed. I put it on the belt sander and grind a flat on the end of it. So that's I've ground flats on all 4 of these 1/4 28s, And I'll do them the same way I did the quarter 20 that I was experimenting with. So what we do is put the screw in here where it's sort of level with the whorl, and add a little flux. This brush is pretty stiff, and what I'm going to do first thing is to tin that. Okay, we got that one tinned. Now we go get our little brass divots. We're going to put a little flux on these and lay it up here. Come on, get on there. Put it all straight. Let that baby cool off, and we'll do 3 more. Okay, we're going to face these little buttons off. So here you have it. It's done. Screw it in there. Lock it up on the shoulder. Then your part that comes through here, you would indicate it just like a 4-jaw. Anyway, thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this little project. See you soon.